revision of this chapter again. So the topic we have learned in this chapter are safety rules at home, safety rules at school, safety rules in the playground, and safety rules on the road, and first aid. We all know that accidents and injuries can occur anytime and anywhere, and these accidents can put our life in danger. So to avoid them, we should follow some safety rules everywhere. So coming to the first topic, safety rules at home. So here we will be talking about or revising about the safety rules that we should follow at our home. So I will be telling you some of the points that you should follow at your home. Do not scatter things around, or you might trip on them while walking and get hurt. That means you should not leave your toys, bags, books, or any other things on the ground, because you might trip on them and get hurt. Do not play with sharp objects. You should never play with the sharp objects like knives, blades, needles, etc. Do not touch electrical switches or appliances. You should never touch the electrical board, electrical switches or the appliances. Never open the door for strangers. You don't know who the person is. You should never open the door. Now coming to the next topic, that is safety rules at the school. What are the rules that we should follow at safety rules at the school are: do not lean over the railings. You should never lean on the railings. You should not stand or jump on benches in the class. You should not push each other while climbing up or down the stairs. You should never push your friends while climbing up or down the stairs. Coming to the next topic, safety rules in the playground. Do not play barefooted. Barefooted means without shoes or slippers. Nanghe pair, that is barefooted. You should not play barefooted. You should follow the rules of the games. You should follow the rules of the games. Be careful while playing on the swings and wait for your turn. Do not play near thorny bushes. Thorny means kaante. Should not play near the thorny bushes. Coming to the next topic, safety rules on the road. Follow the traffic rules to avoid accident or injury. Cross the road when the traffic stops moving. Always walk on the footpath. Follow traffic signals. Do not put your hand or head out of a moving bus. Never play on the road. While crossing the road, first look at your right, then left, and then right again, and then cross the road at zebra crossing. Coming to the topic, first aid. When a person meets with an accident, the first and timely help he or she gets is called a first aid. जब भी कोई इंसान किसी एक्सीडेंट से गुज़रता है या किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, तो सबसे पहले जो जल्दी उनको हेल्प मिलती है उसको बोलते हैं फर्स्ट एड. बेसिक रूल्स दैट शुड बी फॉलोड. द फर्स्ट एड आर: सबसे पहले इन्फॉर्म योर डॉक्टर और एल्डर of your family. If person is bleeding, tie a clean handkerchief or bandage over it. Wash the wound with Dettol and apply antiseptic cream or band-aid. In case of burn, cool it by keeping the affected area under cold running water. And अगर ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है then call your doctor. So these are the rules that you should follow everywhere. Hope this revision is useful for you, and if you have any problem regarding this chapter, you can message on my comment box. Thank you.